Hello, this is a short video on how to set up your Android phone and connect to your DTE wellness program. Here's a short list of requirements that you need. You're going to need your Android phone, a Google account, typically your Gmail account, your work email address, dteenergy.com, and the Carrot app. So let's get started. So first you're going to want to go to the Google Play Store and search for the Carrot Wellness app by typing in Carrot Wellness. And then press enter. Once you press enter and you find the Carrot app, it looks like that at the very top. Go ahead and press the install button and accept the conditions to install the app inside your Android device. Once it loads, once it's finishing loading, just go ahead and press the open button so you can begin Carrot and start Carrot. And at this point, Carrot is starting up, and we're going to ask you to log in with your phone number or Facebook. We recommend logging in with your phone number. And once it boots up inside Carrot, we're going to ask you to take your Gmail account and tap on it to set up and share your steps data with Carrot. Allow us to count your steps data using Google Fit. Once you do this, we can now count steps using Carrot. And you're going to want to swipe over to the Wellness tab and put your work email to join your wellness program. So go ahead and type that in and press the join button. We will send you an email where you can then tap on the confirmation link and go back to Carrot, refresh your tab, and now you should see DTE on the top tab. Congratulations, you've joined the DTE Wellness Program on Carrot. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 66-WALKING-4 or email us at support@carrotwellness.com. Thank you.